Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips By, which is my monthly tea subscription. And this is my September teas. It does come with a card that I'll show at the end. It talks about all your teas. The first one I got is Apricot Sunrise, which is a black tea. And typically there are 4 of them when they're individual packets like this. So let me dig them out. Might be able to tell with my voice. I'm not really sick, but I've been landscaping and digging up stuff outside, and I'm allergic to so much, so my allergies are killing me. So I'm going to make some tea when I get done with this. But that one sounds really good. I've been trying to drink more water, which I've been bad about lately, but I've been carrying this around with me, and it helps a little bit. It forces you to drink something when you're not really consciously thinking about it. So it also comes with these fillable tea bags. For the loose leaf tea, I always get a mix of loose leaf and already bagged tea. Next up, Spa Jasmine Green Tea. Has jasmine flowers and brown rice and coriander. Sounds pretty interesting. Also have coconut vanilla from Davidson's Tea. I have gotten a variety of tea from that company in all different flavors. I feel like maybe I've had the coconut vanilla before, and I think I liked it. So, I mean, I like vanilla and I like coconut and I like tea, so I'm sure I enjoyed it. My favorite kind of tea of all time is licorice tea, which I know a lot of people are probably like, ew, but it is so good. So good. Next up, there's 3 of those. This is from Tea Pigs, and this is Matcha Latte. Premium matcha green tea with mint. I think I'm going to make that now, honestly. So you're supposed to whisk it into a small amount of hot milk, and then top with hot frothy milk. You could do dairy or non-dairy. Very, very cool. I love matcha, and I love lattes, so I think I've said before on my channel, from Starbucks, if you get a matcha green tea latte, it's good. Just don't smell it because it smells like lake water. So here is the card. It tells you all your teas, and there's always like promo codes. If you really, really love it, you could go to that company's website, and there's usually a coupon code there so that you can get more discounted, which is really awesome. So if you guys would like to subscribe, go below in the description box. I have a promo code. I also have 2 links for the coldest water bottle. One's a giveaway link, and the other one, if you just want to look around or purchase anything, there is a 10% off promo code as well. So always check the description boxes. I put all the information down there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.